Hi, my name is Dr. Joyce and I'm the owner of Southside Animal Hospital in Lansing, Michigan. I'm going to start by saying communication has to be one of the bottom line things for any successful practice. Client communication leads to owners understanding what's going on. And when owners understand what's going on with their pet, they're much more likely to play a part in the care of their pet. Vello brings everything basically together, but it adds another layer of client communication that is just amazing. Our diagnostic revenue for wellness care is up 47%, and I would tell you that a lot of that is because people are bringing in fecal samples, and I know that sounds crazy, but it's true.
So the biggest impact at our practice is we opened up the Vello on a Thursday, and on Friday, the entire afternoon of appointments, everyone brought a fecal sample, because on Vello it said bring a fecal sample. So we were able to run at least 15 fecal samples that afternoon, and we stuffed the IDEX box full for that evening. And that's just due to Vello reminders. It was absolutely amazing. I had not seen that much poop in 40 years. Since we have implemented Vello, I truly believe our clients are much happier because they are able to send that quick text message.
They can send me a picture, I can look at it and I said, yeah, that needs to be seen. That toe does not look good. Or, oh my goodness, that's an eye. We can't have that eye looking like that. Let's go ahead and schedule the appointment. So it does help to drive people into the vet by having those pictures through Vello.
They're getting those reminders in advance so they can make plans to put it in their budget. They're getting the information about whether or not to ask about pre-anesthetic testing. They're able to request an appointment. Those things I think are very important this day and age with the younger generation. They need things to be simple and quick.
I love the Vello text message reminders. They're super easy. They give you the link right there to make your appointments or whatever you need to bring with you to your appointment.
The Vello app is great. It has just made things so much easier because I get reminders. I'm terrible about making appointments, and then I would constantly have to call the clinic and say, I know I have an appointment, can you remind me when it is? Don't have to do that. I get notifications when the prescriptions are ready. It's really made my life a lot easier.
Our integration with Vello and IDEX and Neo really is a very smooth, integrated process. Client visits are up, our client compliance is up, our revenues are up. We don't have to work as hard. It is wonderful, and we're just really enjoying everything that Vello has done for us.